Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to streak on Snapchat, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Snapchat app on your device and take a picture or video of anything you like. Then type streak. This will let your friend know that you want to start a streak with them. When done, send your picture or video to the person you want to streak with. The next part is up to your friend. If they want to streak with you, they will reply with their own picture or video. To keep the streak going, the back and forth of pictures or videos at least once a day is a must. After 3 days of continuous interaction, you will get a fire emoji just like so. The number beside the fire emoji is the number of days you streaked. And that's how you streak on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.